Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. We are again here with a new video about Google secrets or hidden tips and tricks. The tricks you really like to know. We are going to tell you some of the commands that helps you to find and browse things quickly, easily in a better way. So let's start with the video. First is to put the search result in the quotation marks. It helps you to find the exact result about a specific thing. For example, we put Android in a quotation marks and it will give exact result about Android. Second is, if you want multiple choice search, then put or between the search terms. You see, we put or between Android and iPhone. It gives us comparison between iPhone and Android. You see the results. So this is how we can make a comparison between two things or get a multiple choice search. And the third is to put a plus or minus sign in search terms to specify what you want and what to not in the search results. For example, in this we put apps in plus and minus in games. Now you see the results about Android apps but not about Android games. The fourth is to put a modifier sign between the search results to extend the search results with the synonyms of the word you are looking for. For example, it shows results for Android mobiles as well as Android mobile. If you want to get search results about specific file type, then you can use this command. As we are using Android file type PDF, it will show the results about Android with a specific file type PDF. The next command helps you to find a specific place or page in a website. For example, if you want a specific search term in a URL of specific website, then you can use this command. If you want to search specific title in search terms of specific website, you can use this command. And if you want a specific search terms in the text of the website of a specific website, you can use this command. The next is, if you want a definition of a specific thing, you can use this command to find the definitions of that things rather than you use a dictionary to search that word. And if you want etymology of a specific thing, you can use etymology colon and the search term. It will show the etymology of that word. If you want to search a specific category or result in a site, you can use this command. Search terms, site, colon, and the URL of that site. It will help you to find things easily. The next is, if you want calculation, you just put the things you want to calculate in the search results and it will give you the result and shows you the calculator for further calculations. If you want to see the social trending topics and social tags, you can use these two commands, which are hashtag and @. If you want to see the links of a site, you can use link colon and the search URL or the website URL. You can see the links to that site or link of that site. If you want to see the visual representation of any formula, you can use this command, which is graph for or graph of. That helps you to find things easily and quickly in a better way. If you like this video, please give us a comment and a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe.